What is cryptocurrency mining? Have you ever heard of cryptocurrency mining? It's the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network and earning cryptocurrency as a reward. Every time someone makes a transaction on a blockchain network, that transaction is recorded in a block on the network. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that verify these transactions and add them to the blockchain network. For their work, miners receive cryptocurrency as a reward, which they can then sell or use to buy goods and services. Mining can be done by individuals using their own computers, or by large companies that run mining farms with thousands of computers. If you're interested in mining, you'll need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet to store your earnings. And you'll also need to download mining software and join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards. That's a brief introduction to cryptocurrency mining. Stay tuned for more videos in this series to learn more. How does cryptocurrency mining work? In the previous video, we learned what cryptocurrency mining is. But how does it actually work? Every block on a blockchain network contains a record of all the transactions that have occurred on the network. When a miner tries to add a block to the network, they have to solve a complex mathematical problem. Once the problem is solved, the miner's computer sends the solution to the network, which then verifies it. If the solution is verified, the miner's computer receives a reward in cryptocurrency, and the block is added to the network. All the cryptocurrency that a miner earns is stored in a digital wallet, which they can access at any time. Some miners choose to join mining pools, which are groups of miners who work together to increase their chances of earning rewards. That's how cryptocurrency mining works. Stay tuned for more videos in this series to learn more. Types of cryptocurrency mining. There are different types of cryptocurrency mining. Let's explore them. The most common type of mining is proof-of-work mining, where miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. Another type of mining is proof-of-stake mining, where miners hold a certain amount of cryptocurrency in their wallets as collateral. Storage mining involves providing storage space to a blockchain network in exchange for cryptocurrency rewards. Finally, computational mining involves providing computational power to a blockchain network in exchange for cryptocurrency rewards. No matter what type of mining you do, all the cryptocurrency you earn will be stored in your digital wallet. To increase your chances of earning rewards, you can also join a mining pool or set up a mining farm with multiple computers. That's a brief overview of the different types of cryptocurrency mining. Stay tuned for more videos in this series to learn more. Is cryptocurrency mining profitable? Many people wonder if cryptocurrency mining is profitable. Let's explore this topic. Mining can be profitable, but it depends on several factors, such as the cost of electricity, the price of cryptocurrency, and the mining difficulty. When the price of cryptocurrency increases, mining becomes more profitable, as the rewards earned by miners increase in value. To make mining profitable, some miners invest in mining farms with multiple computers, which increases their chances of earning rewards. Using renewable energy sources like solar or wind power can also reduce the cost of electricity, making mining more profitable. If you're considering mining, make sure to calculate your potential profits based on the cost of electricity and the mining difficulty. So, is cryptocurrency mining profitable? It can be, but it depends on several factors. Stay tuned for more videos in this series to learn more. Risks and challenges of cryptocurrency mining. Mining cryptocurrency can be a profitable venture, but it also comes with risks and challenges. Let's explore them. One risk is the possibility of getting hacked. If a miner's computer is hacked, they could lose their cryptocurrency earnings. Another challenge is the heat generated by mining computers. If not managed properly, the heat can damage the computer or even cause a fire. Mining computers can also break down or become outdated quickly, which means miners must constantly invest in new hardware. Mining also requires a lot of electricity, which can be expensive, and have a negative impact on the environment. Finally, mining difficulty can increase over time, which means it becomes harder and harder to earn rewards. To minimize these risks and challenges, it is important for miners to take security measures, manage their mining hardware properly, and keep up to date with changes in the mining industry. That's a brief overview of the risks and challenges of cryptocurrency mining. Stay tuned for more videos in this series to learn more. The future of cryptocurrency mining. As cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream, the future of mining is evolving. Let's take a look at what the future may hold. One trend we're seeing is the growth of large mining farms, which can have thousands of computers working together to earn rewards. There's also a trend toward specialized hardware for mining, which can increase efficiency and profitability. Using renewable energy sources like solar or wind power can also make mining more sustainable and reduce the impact on the environment. Finally, new cryptocurrencies are constantly being developed, which means there will be new opportunities for miners in the future. No matter what changes occur, one thing will remain constant: all cryptocurrency earnings will be stored in a digital wallet. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency mining? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates in this series. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.